Baka kailangan ganun.
And we're back. We are live here at Gym 4031 St. Mina Church Gymnasium. Ano meron?
Saksak lang.
Oh. Walang saksakan to eh.
Ito ko dyan.
Sa kabila.
Yung isa walang S. Yung isa may S.
Hindi nga ma. Mag-goal. Ang dami saksakan dun oh. Marami saksakan dun oh.
Sige mamaya.
Ito talaga si ano oh. BG, Pogi eh.
Next day.
Kabawatan? Wala.
Manager, yan pala dapat binibigay. Gato rin.
Pareho po ang kulay. Muntik na tayong hindi nalilito, pero nalilito tayo talaga. Balansag, wala. Mariano. Two-zero. This is the fourth game of the day. Just Titan versus Trinity Titans. The two Titans collide. Kabawatan corner shot for 3 points. Happy viewing to Mr. Rox Alvaira. Salem, Mrs. Ano ba yung angat to? Ano maangat? Okay, let's back to the ball game. Balansag. Pwede ka dito. Villanueva, Misla. Masiklat. All alone layup. Kabawatan. Pass to Brotherhood, Kabawatan. Wala. Rebound. Don Salem. High alay pass. Balansag intercept. Balansag. Number 12 rebound. There's a foul. Pwede ka dito. Basta may team ka. Happy viewing. Thank you for watching. 6,000 people. We are live. We are live from Calgary, Alberta. Kabawatan, Eugene. Eugene ba yan? Kabawatan yan. Eugene yung Sherwin. Villanueva, inaharas ni Masiklat. Kabawatan, wala. Tip in. Villanueva, nakuha rebound. Put back. Mariano. 6-5, lamang po ang Titans. Parehong Titans pala naglalaban.
Number 21.
Eugene Kabawatan, and there is a foul. Foul on number 41. Jason Villanueva. Mariano, pass to number 12. Wala. Balansag, Kabawatan against Masiklat. Kabawatan number 4. Knockout play. Nice pass. Score is 8-7 in favor of Trinity Titans. For 3, wala. 82.
Timeout. Timeout kaya, timeout. Wait. Makabila pag nakashoot ako.
Number 82 fakes, he drives, reverse basket is good. What a move!
Timeout dito pag
Pagka-basket.
Kaya pala.
Balansag, pinalakpakan.
Wrapping.
Timeout. Timeout on Trinity Titans. The score is 10-7 in favor of Trinity Titans. Thank you for our dear sponsors like Alex Tumang Realty Group, Dodis Cleaning Services,
Penalty mo na lahat.
Tams Basketball, South Tams and North Tams Basketball, YYC Embroidery and Printing, Happy Pips,
7:30.
Adobo Experience, Maans Filipino Food stuff. Happy viewing to Adrian Pagaran of Mamitas. They will see action later on tonight.
May palit yun.
Score is 10-7.
Baka may palit yun si Boss Bong dyan. Coach Bong nananawagan. Palit yun, Balansag. Back to the ball game, Balansag against number 24. Against Bong Abong. O Edang. Mariano. Umeke, Masiklat. Bong Abong. Number 82. Ang ganda naman ang footwork. Chat.
Ganun dapat,
Footwork.
BG. Ganun dapat. BG, ganun dapat
Si BG, traveling naman lagi yan eh.
Ako? Ganun.
Don't say bad words.
Di nila ako kaya.
Balansag
Kobe back.
against Mariano. Inaharas. Balansag. Pinilit. Lumabas ulit. Pinasa. And there is a loose ball foul.
Number 9.
Foul ang number 9. Masiklat. Bawatan to his brother Kuya. Naawa. 3-point shot. Number 82.
Oh, pangalan mo number 80.
Tumira ng 3 points. Short.
Naka-live tayo eh. Makakadiri naman yan sa live eh.
Naka-live tayo kung ano-ano ang sinasabi mo. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga nagtananghalian sa ibang bansa. 3-point shot. Masiklat directing the plays. Masiklat for 3. Using the backboard. Laluma. 2 points for Laluma. Kapapasok lang. Instant. Instant offense on Laluma. Kabawatan. Take the shot. 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Edang. Edang against Balansag. Edang, hinaharas ni Balansag. Pass to Bongabong. Bongabong. Wala. Number 82 rebound. Kanino pinasa? Bongabong recovers to Mariano. The 3-point shot is no go. Laluma. Pass to Kabawatan. Kabawatan for 3. Laluma. He gets the offensive rebound and there's a foul on number 27. Bongabong. 2 free throws for Laluma. First good shot. First shot is good.
Saan yung ano ko? Tubig ko.
16-15 in favor of Jazz Titan.
7-15.
Masiklat, pinasa kay Bongabong sa labas. Masiklat for 3. Short. Balansag for a bucket. Number 82, 3-point attempt.
19-15.
After first quarter, 19-15, Jazz Titan leading by 4. Our next game, Alex Tumang Realty Group versus I Am Worldwide.
Ano na, akala ko ba?
Wala. Kinakabahan ka lang eh.
Oh.
Wala. So yung laro next week, mamamove siya ng nasa bridge.
Oh, yeah. Mumove lang, hindi ililipat siya lang. Wala daw tao.
Wala kang gawin.
Ayan.
Outside nila. Sa labas.
Yan, kamaya-maya, mag-aalaga pa ako mamaya madaling araw eh.
Back to the ball game, second quarter. Second quarter action.
Ano naman ako sa'yo eh.
Edang will inbound. Trinity Titans basketball.
Oh.
Bongabong, number 82. Number 82 loses the ball on a top. Balansag to number 2. Enriquez. Pass to Villanueva. Good assist.
21-15.
Bongabong.
Anong size kinuha mo kaya?
Salem, wala. Enriquez.
Retail na lang.
Ginasa kay Colina. Number 2. Sumagasa, bad pass. Don Salem, bad pass din. Balansag, intercepts. 26 on 3-point shot, wala. Colina gets the rebound. And there is a good move. And foul. First personal foul on number 12. 23-25. Lamang ang Jazz Titans. Edang Bongabong. '82. 82. Way. Wala. Colina. Number 2, Matake. Wala pa rin. Edang, hinahabol, number 2. Last touch by the blue. For sure, last touch by the blue. Number 12. Number 12 to Edang. Layup.
Easy layup.
2 points.
22-17.
Colina.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ay, lucky ah.
Number 3.
Balansag. Thank you, thank you. Colina, hang time. Sayang, it's hang time. Bongabong. Bongabong, atake against number 12. Pass to number 82. 82. Take a shot. Edang. Power move. Supalpal, Blanca. Balansag, wala. Villanueva.
Wala kasi ano? Papanitan. Ay, hindi lang isang.
Substitution, sub. Mariano. Inira sa 3 points, wala. Number 2. Number 2, Lumea. Mamaya, pakikuha yung mga pangalan. Halftime, para alam natin. Yan o, 82. Pass to Mariano. Mariano, nadulas. Pass to Edang. Edang, corner shots, good.
Dead ball, dead ball.
Kanina, andito ka lang. Paulo, Bachecha. Villanueva, nasa gitna. Dinodoble. Colina. Colina, susubukang umatake. Colina against Mariano. Colina, sumagasa sa gitna. And there is a foul. Substitution. Ayan na po yung hinihintay natin. Number 0, JC Miranda. JC Miranda. Number 2, Delphin. Delphin. Miranda. Deflected. Ball stays. Jazz Titans. Wala. Coach, don't talk to the driver while the bus is running. Masiglat. Bumiyad. Wala. Ano yun? Oh. Kanina ko pa pinapaalala sa'yo yung jersey.
Meron ako pero ibang jersey din.
Ah, ganun ba?
Pwede mo ba ibahin yung pangalan? Pwede mo ba ibahin yung pangalan?
Mamaya. Yan, pwede na yan. Mamaya. JC Miranda. Intercepted. Mariano. Masiklat. Pasok. Score is 29-22.
In favor of Titans.
Black, Edang. Lead pass, Masiklat for a layup. Easy layup. Wala. wala pa rin, and there's a foul.
Foul number 2. Timeout Titan.
Huwag kang mag-comment ng mga...
Gas Titan.
Huwag kang mag... Back to the ball game. Coach Mariano, wala ka dito. First shot is out by Mariano. Trinity Titans trailing by 7. Second shot, wala pa rin. Rebound, JC Miranda. Miranda. Colina. Miranda. Give and go. Supalpal. Nakuha rin Kabawatan. Follow. Easy follow. Masiklat. Tumira ng 3 points. Wala. Miranda. Kabawatan to Colina, back to Kabawatan. Miranda, pass to number Enriquez. Kabawatan, dinodoble. And there is a holding foul. Foul number 27. Bungabong. Second personal foul of Bungabong. Colina to Miranda. Pass sa middle, Enriquez, jump shot, wala. 82, gets the rebound.
Idol yan.
Sige. Ingat ko.
Miranda, 2 points.
23-22 tayo ha.
One minute to go, 19 seconds. 82. Enriquez gets the ball. Miranda recovers. Miranda bringing down the ball. Dumire-diretso. Pumek si Colina. Kick out. So Agang for 3. Wala. Masiklat. Masiklat. Umatake against 2. And there is a foul.
Foul number 12, first personal foul, first team foul. 6, sorry.
You're forgiven. 2 free throw for Masiklat. First shot is good.
That's good.
23.
Ako na lang ang hindi nakagawa
Basket good.
ng 30 seconds
Ang
blood.
galing oh.
Alam
30
Basket,
seconds.
24.
Exactly. Left for
Ako na
second
lang ang hindi
quarter.
nakagawa niyan ha.
Talagang inabangan ko yan.
Sa ating tatlo, ako na lang ang wala ha. Sa inyo.
Kabawatan. Pinasa kay Miranda. Tumira. Wala. Madali. Masiklat. Recovers. Masiklat. Pasa kay Mariano. Tumira ng 3 points. Beating the buzzer. The score is 33-27. 23-27. Trinity Titans trailing by 6 against Jazz Titan. The two Titans. Thanks for watching, Arvin Kang Changkoko from the YYC Airport. Kunin ko yung uniform mo. Dali. May short ka dala? Yeah, may nagpapataya po ng wedding. Ayun, oh. Papataya ng wedding. Panoorin mo siya kung paano kabahan. Hindi, siguro yata. Happy viewing, Mr. Rene Suba from UAE. Kamusta dyan, teammate? Ito, palagi ka. Mr. Rene Suba, palagi ka technical nito. Technical foul, Rene Suba for second motion. NBA, Pampanga Dragons.
Ready to go. Candelo Maria.
Our guest referee, Len Makalalad from the Philippines, formerly NBA referee, formerly Adamson Lady Falcons. Way back under Coach Ompong Segura. Back to the ball game, third quarter action. Trinity Titans trailing by 6 points.
Hindi kayo makumpleto-kumpleto. Ano ba yan? Nakakainis.
Paolo, iniisip mo ba yung mga 3 points mo kanina?
Kabawatan, first 3-point bucket. Bumawi, number 12. Wala. Edang recovers. Oh, bad pass. Eugene Kabawatan's good. Back-to-back basket. Nag-try out ka? Nag-try out ka? Nag-try out ka? May nag-try out ka? Parang wala eh. Back-to-back-to-back.
Instant 7 points.
8 straight points by number 13. 40-27.
40-27.
Number 21.
Candelo.
Shout out. Shout out para kay John Sanchez. Courtesy by Paulo Bachecha.
Number 21.
Kabawatan, Sherwin or Eugene? Eugene, Kabawatan.
10 points straight sa kanila.
10 straight points. Masiglat for 3. Wala. La Luma. Overhead pass. Deflected.
Out of bounds.
Happy birthday nga pala sa mga may birthday.
Basket good.
Jason Kanya. 2 points.
45-27.
We have a foul.
Second personal foul, number 18.
Second personal foul. 18. Wala pa rin. Hirap makashoot ang mga Trinity. Kanina pa. Edang. Wala pa rin. Balansag. Nabitawan nila Luma. Mariano. Number 82, anong pangalan mo? Cruz! Sa wakas. Villanueva.
Kanya.
Pass to
Kanya.
Kanya. Nawala ang bola. Balansag against Masiklat. Balansag, Masiklat. It's a screen from Kanya. And he loses the
Out of bounds.
We have a timeout.
Timeout Trinity. Too much dribble, Brad.
Our next game, Alex Tumang Realty Group versus I Am Worldwide.
Next game, Tatang Alex Tumang versus IM.
Ang pagbabalik
Ang
nitong
pagbabalik.
Alex Tumang dapat eh. Minsan
UA Red Warriors player.
3 points.
PBA D-League player.
Wala na. Hindi na, nananakit na lang.
Grabe ka!
JM Noble with his son Joaquin.
Tuwan-tuwa si boss, oh. Wala sila pilang tao.
Makahirap yung ito, ganun.
Pwede ba akong umuwi ng maaga?
Wow. Ganun. Ito lang pala makakada. Nangangamuhan.
Back to the ball game. Tinira, 3 points. Masiklat. Sa wakas, tumama rin.
30.
Oh, nice pass.
Alley-hoop.
49-30.
Villanueva. Masiklat. Wala.
Balansag. White ball.
Ha? Wala kang short?
Basket game.
Kahit anong short, pwede naman eh.
Kahit walang shot, basta may drip.
Huwag lang wala kang short.
Mahirap ka. Wala kang short. Drip lang. Balansag.
Balansa.
Batang bata.
51,
31,
32.
32. Maybe 0.5.
Calvelio makes 2, 51, 37, 17 points. Balansag. Pass to Eugene. Kabawatan. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 2.
Delphine.
Dead ball.
Delphine.
Masiklat. Salem. Jump shot. Magagawan. Magkakampi. Calvelio. Villanueva.
Sab din, kuya. Sab.
Number 2, Villanueva again. Wala. Rebound. Number 2, Delphine. Eugene Kabawatan. Corner shot. Good. Nakakadami na yun.
Nakakarami ng batang yun.
Foul 41.
Number 41, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Calvelio for 3. Wala. Rebound by Miranda. Balansag. Balansag to Villanueva. Again Salem. Villanueva force his way through.
56.
Miss. Masiglat for 3. Bibigan ng mga ito. Kukunin lang ako ng uniform. Okay.
Number 21.
Kinakabahan na si
La. Oh, ay. 21. Basta mo ha, 21.
Sige.
I'm fucking telling you.
21.
I'm very confident.
So 9 p.m. yun. 21.
Ha?
9 p.m. Villanueva, 2 points.
62 minutes. Back-to-back.
3 points, Masiglat.
60-40.
Uy, huwag ka mababad dyan.
Bakit? Oh, baliktad yung shot ko siya.
Balansag.
Oh, shit.
Second.
Foul number
Put my
9.
shirt the other way. Yeah.
Second personal foul.
I put my shirt the other way.
Balansag. Wala.
Ilan ba kami?
Hindi ko nila natunagan.
Dalawa kasama rin.
Bago lang daw yun sa ano. Batang ba? 41. May benso. Villanueva.
Kaya pwede ka dito. Sundin lang.
Balansag.
Lumayo na.
Sino na ang bola? Yun na. Yung titira.
Basket. number 14, second personal foul.
Susunod no, sila na mag-aaway. No? Yung mga iba, pag ano, hindi na sila pupunta ka. Tatamarin nyo. Kasi dagdag ng dagdag yun.
And a third quarter. Fourth quarter.
Alam mo kung kasi yan?
Papalitan naman natin. Kasha. Ba't si JM wala? Extra large.
Ipapagawa pa ako, kailangan pagawa.
Back to the ball.
Hindi kasali si Wagay-Wagay. Kaya ang word. Wagay-Wagay.
Ano?
Hindi kasali.
Wala yata eh, wala eh.
Basketball.
Number 27.
I knew it.
I knew it. I knew it.
Shout out to my inaanak, Raymond Manyo from San Ildefonso, Bulacan. Pasiklat. Colina. Deflected by Salem. Agang. Luma, wala. Masiklat. Bongabong to Mariano. Mariano, 3-point shot. Wala pa rin. Enriquez. Have a foul on Agang. Agang na foul. Agang na foul ni Agang. Agang pinaul. Bongabong 2 free throw. Naawa. Next game, Alex Tumang. DLT Group versus IM Worldwide. We have a double foul. Number 24, number 12. Number 10 and number 24, double foul. Double foul, double foul. So happy viewing to Miss Janet Ronquillo Adriano of IM Worldwide.
Foul number 27.
No.
Third personal foul.
Oh, basket counts.
Lamang po ang Jazz Titan. Laluma makes it.
Football, Kabir.
Intercepted. Balansag. Against 2. Balansag. Dumiretso. Kinambyo yung bola.
Kinambyo
Kinambyo.
yung bola.
Edang. Too strong. Balansag.
Uulitin ulit.
Balansag. Pass to Colina. Bongabong for 3 points, wala.
Ang taas ng pinasahan mo.
Substitution, Kanya. Cruz. Number 82, Cruz coming in. Timeout.
Timeout, Trinity.
Another error. Wala ng Trinity. Trailing by how many? 24?
24.
24 points. 3 points by Masiklat. 21 points down. Just Titan. Colina. Miranda. Enriquez. Colina. Agang. Agang.
Talayuan.
Colina. Take his time.
Foul.
Third.
Third personal foul.
3 free throws for Masiklat.
Basket.
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 Gainer. Basket.
3 for 3.
54 and 75.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Enriquez. Colina. Agang.
Ano yung 55 ba yan? 54 tama?
54.
Tumira. Short. Edang. Tumasiklat. Tumira agad ng 3 points. Wala. Enriquez gets the rebound. loses the ball. Masiklat. Behind the back dribble. Masiklat. To Salem. To number 82, Cruz. Takes the shot. Bang!
Balikaran pala yun.
75-57.
Balikaran.
18 points. Miranda. To Agang.
Salem.
Molina. Floater, wala. Rebound by Salem. Masiklat, titira ng 3 points. Bang! 50 na lang. Pero fourth quarter na pala. Miranda. Masiklat against 3. Masiklat, wala. Follow up by Calbelo. Colina against Edang. Foul on Edang.
Second.
Gypsy Zoo. Cruz. Oh! Nice layup. 47 seconds. Masiklat. 3-point shot, wala. There go.
Nice ball.
Fourth game. The winner, 17-point lead, Jazz Titan versus Trinity Titans. We'll be right back for the fifth game tonight.
Nice ball.
I am Worldwide versus Alex Tumang Realty Group.